Did you know, in the world of the wild, the oddities are aplenty. Take the bat, for instance. Unlike all other mammals, bats are capable of sustained flight, not just gliding. Quite the party trick, wouldn't you say? Delving deeper into the ocean, we encounter the star-nosed mole, a creature with 22 miniature tentacles at the tip of its snout. Its sense of touch is so acute, it eats faster than the human eye can follow. And then there's the kangaroo. Would you believe these bouncy beings cannot walk backwards? A rather peculiar evolutionary quirk indeed. Finally, consider the humble goldfish. It may surprise you to learn that they can remember things for up to 5 months. So much for the 3-second memory myth. Intriguing, isn't it? The world of animals is full of surprises. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,